Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show how to disable and enable notifications of your Gmail. So move on how to do it. Viewers, welcome back. As I say, I'll show how to enable and disable of your Gmail inbox or Gmail account. So at first you have to log in your account. Then go to Google link, Gmail, and sign in. Oh, sorry, it's in Bengali, so I have to change it in English. Sorry for inconvenience. Now it's in English. Go to sign in and write your email here. It's my email. Enter. Login. To enable and disable your notifications, you have to go to settings. Settings, and click that settings. You will get so many options here. Scroll down to the downloads. You can see desktop notification. Click here to enable desktop notifications for Gmail. Now it's off, so it's a radio button and checkbox. I can select it. New mail notification on. Now if I close and if I log in my PC, then if any email come in my inbox, then I'll get a notifications from Google service. And if I switch to off, if I select this radio button, then my notification will be off, so I'll not get any notifications from the Google. So we can select this to enable, and we can select this for disable. After selecting your options, you have to save your option. Desktop notification, enable. After selecting this on, you have to save the change. Save change. Yeah, it's loading, saving. Yeah, now that's all for enable and disable option. Thank you very much for watching this video. Another information is here that if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe, and you can press the bell icon for next video.